The infinitive. There are two kinds of infinitive, with to and without to. Examples. I'd prefer to sit at the front. I'd rather sit at the back. Note, the most common use of an infinitive without to is after a modal verb. I can sit at the back. A to infinitive can have a perfect or continuous form. Simple, to work. Perfect, to have worked. Continuous, to be working. Perfect continuous, to have been working. Concepts and examples. Use of a perfect infinitive is for something that happened or possibly happened earlier. I seem to have left my keys behind. Use of a continuous infinitive is for something happening over a period. We were happy to be starting a new job. Note, in the negative, not comes before the infinitive. I prefer not to sit at the front. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for daily lessons and contents. And also please like this video. Note, in some context you can use a simple to infinitive as well as a perfect continuous form. We hope to be making a start as soon as possible. With some expressions such as would hate and would be awful or would be nice, we can also use the perfect in either or both clauses when talking about the past. Examples. I'd like to have seen the show last Friday. I'd have liked to see the show last Friday. I'd have liked to have seen the show last Friday. Alright everyone, that's it for today's lesson. Remember to like and to subscribe for daily lessons and contents. These are also my prior contents that you can watch. See you with another video tomorrow.